In this video, I'm going to show you how to find crypto address on Coinbase. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to head over here to our Google Chrome. And I'm using this particular website from Coinbase, but you can actually use the extension for this one. So you can click the extension here and you can go ahead and tap on the receive button here. And then what you're going to do is just look for the wallet address that you're going to be using. Say, for example, if I'm going to receive or find the address for my Bitcoin, I can go ahead and click on it. So you can go ahead and click this one right here, or you can also copy this one from the clipboard by using this one. Another way that you can get this done is by QR code. So you can click this one right here and you should be able to see the QR code right here. You can go ahead and screen capture it, or screen cap that part just like what I'm doing right now, and then send this to that particular person that is going to be sending you. So this is the address here via QR code, but you also have it here just like so. So yeah, that is how you are going to find your crypto address on Coinbase.